How do you see the cream?
She's the one with the brightest tail. And long. Yeah, you know. Okay.
Okay, we're trying to shake them up into this beehive.
Are you gonna smoke them, or
I'm not going to smoke them off the tree. The only reason is, like, if those guys stay on the ground, you can smoke them to try and get them to... But it never stays lit, so you know what? Never mind.
why do you say I don't need to climb?
Watch out.
Oh.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah. What are we doing?
What? Whoa. Oh my gosh.
You want me to do something here? Baby, give it to me.
Lots to up there. Oh, jeez, that's a shit ton of bees. You back it down with about if there's skin shot. Okay, it's not too bad. I'm gonna try and aim to get.
Yeah.
Don't come too close to me. You have bees on you.
No, it's okay, it's okay. I don't want them to get on.
Maybe I'll get on this side.
That's just a rupture.
What? Yeah, that'll sting through.
Wonderful.
See what the
Back it up, mister.
Gives you confidence, baby.
Better than nothing.
And you were in there like a champ.
Ignorance.
Yeah, exactly. Because I thought I was protected.
No,
Go away until the bees leave out of your... You have like 3 bees on you right now.
Do you think?
Brad, feel their texture when they're done to yours. Yours is not. Yours is a windbreaker.
Maybe I'll just.
Putting them as a kid.
Okay.
You're on top. Don't come near me when you have like 5 bees.
Please take them away from me.
That is love at its finest. Don't come near me.
Thank you.
You got one on your back.
Or they're like hovering.
No, you.
Hey, why are you in my photo?
My camera better.